Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Monday, and I hope you all have had a good day so far. Monday is actually my computer day where I do a lot of my editing and website stuff, which, by the way, I want to bring something up. So every project video that I do that you guys watch on YouTube, there's a link in the description of those videos that says website article, my website article, and it's got a link there. So I'm encouraging you guys to follow that link to my website, and you may have never noticed it. Maybe some of you guys always check it out, and that's cool if you do. So it's an article that I write about the project that I did. It's basically the written form of the video, but it's 9 times out of 10, I've got more information in the website article than I do on the video. So, and that's just because I can put as much as I want to in there or take out as much as I want. With the video, I don't want to get too long, I don't want to be too short, so the website article is perfect for putting as much information as I possibly want to in that article. I try not to be too long though, just to keep it simple. Anyhow, when you guys watch the video, check out the link, go to the website, read the article, leave me a comment there on the website. I love reading the comments and interacting on my website. I don't get a tremendous amount of comments on the website, but I would love for you guys to interact with me there on the website articles. So the videos, click the link, check out the article, leave me a comment. Still leave comments on the YouTube videos. I know I'm asking a lot of you guys, but like I said before, you guys here are my core folks, and I really appreciate and value your input and appreciate you being so supportive of what I do. You guys here on this channel get it and know what it is, or you're interested in what's going on here in the shop, so thank you. So that's that. The video tomorrow I'm going to be releasing it to come out before lunch. It's going to be me taking down this whole workbench on this back wall and the tool wall and everything. That's why this all looks like it does right here from Friday's video. All that's still laying there, but it will have a home. All that stuff there has a place. So yeah, so the video tomorrow is going to be about this, and the main, I guess, subject of the video, or the narration that I'm doing, is about workflow and convenience, because I'm a big believer that if something's not convenient in the shop, it's not getting used, not in my shop anyway. So if I'm working and I'm doing something, my next tool that I'm fixing to use has got to be convenient, or the next thing that I want to do has got to be convenient for me to use it or work with it and put it back. So if it's not convenient to get or to grab a hold of to use, what makes, it's just going to be set down somewhere because it's not convenient in the first place. So anyway, that's what I'm trying to get after. That's why this whole thing came out back here. I want a traditional style workbench in my shop, but on top of all that, this workbench back here was not convenient. It was a clutter catcher. Everything was unorganized on it. And so, it just had to go. So I'm well on the path of trying to get this shop even more organized. And hopefully, my workflow is going to improve and also become more convenient as I do work in the shop. So, I guess I've rambled on long enough, but I want to show you something else. You guys know that I've been working with Atlas 46, I guess, since December of last year. They've been really good to me. They're the ones that that make my shop vest that I wear. And talking about convenience and workflow, that has improved it tremendously. And I'm not just saying that. I'd never used a work vest or apron before in the shop. And when I started using that, I was like, I have been missing out. But I want to show you something that I used in the video that's coming out tomorrow. This is a little Velcro wrist strap that Atlas 46 makes. But you unvelcro that, you wrap it around your wrist, and it's got magnets right here on top. Now, let me see if I can do this one-handed. But as I was taking out this workbench, I was taking out a bunch of screws, right? So I can just throw it on the wristband as I'm taking it out with my impact wrench or my drill and lay it on my wrist, and it's going to stay there. And then once it just piles up, it'll hold a lot of screws too, by the way. I think you can just grab them off. The magnet's pretty strong, so it's going to hold it. But anyway, once it's piled up, I can just take all those screws and dump it into a bucket or whatever. I can't do this one-handed. So, but anyway, that thing is really handy, and that's what I'm talking about. That's convenient. You know, it's right here on my wrist. I've got a place to put the screws there, and I'll talk about that in the video. You'll see tomorrow, but just know that that's what I'm after. I'm after improving my workflow, my shop, being convenient with everything that I'm doing in here, and hopefully I'm passing on little nuggets of you know, information or things that I'm doing here in the shop onto you guys, so you can improve your shops. And so that's what this is about. And then also, I think I mentioned this. If not, I'll say it again. But here, this is going to be moving over here somewhere. But I'm going to put a bench here that's going to match my bench. So my kids are going to have their own little woodworking bench here, and I'm going to have mine here. But that's also going to serve as a support for a long stock that's going to be coming across here for my miter saw that's going here. All that wood's going to be moved over here in a different location. It all makes sense, and I'll show the entire thing once I'm done. I think somebody made the comment of, well, it looks like you're going to have a 2018 shop tour coming up soon. When I get done with all this, I'll do a shop tour. So I think I've had one since 2015, maybe 15, 16, 17. So I guess is once a year the thing. I don't know. So we'll see. Anyway, all right, that's all I've got for today. I appreciate you guys being here, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Later.